Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our fascinating series on Maharashtra. The topic of interest today is the natural boundaries of the Maharashtra state. That is the very important province in Deccan region, South Indian region of Bharat. That is the Maharashtra Natural Boundaries, part 3 of Maharashtra series. And Mitram and Bandhuvam, if you are new to our education channel, I already posted more than 360 or so meticulously prepared presentations on varied diverse topics from Indology, history, geography, global systems, cultures, and human ecology and interactions on the planet Earth. That is at South Asia Maps JRD as of 2023 April. There are 364 videos already present, and you can go and explore them further. And today's point of discussion is excuse me for my allergies, our fascinating series, that is the Maharashtra series. In the initial presentation, I will make around about 17 plus or so. There are two doubled here, and as time permits, we will add more as per audience interest and my time. Maharashtra series. Maharashtra is a fascinating province. It gives immense pleasure to talk about Maharashtra, Marathas, Maratha history, Maratha empires. Marathas has a very big, great empire that replaced the Mughal Empire, but they finally lost to British imperialism after Third Battle of Panipat. It is the land of Mavlas, the initial falcon soldiers of Shivaji, and Maratha warriors, the land of Chhatrapati emperors, and Srimant Peshwas, the first ministers of Chhatrapatis, and Muthinjay Veer Savarkar, great freedom fighter, who passed away around about 1964 or so. Marathas led reconquest of Bharat against Islamic imperialism, and they won Punjab, the Paschim Punjab. That is from Attock to Cuttack. The term was used for the Maratha Empire. Attock on the banks of Ganga Sagar in Kalinga, Utkal, Orissa, to Attock on the banks of river Sindhu, Sindhu Sagar we can say. Attock to Cuttack, Maratha Empire existed. And I have presented similar series on Himachal Pradesh. You can go and look at them. And also similar series on fascinating Bengal presidency, and also about the heartland of Bharat, that is the United Provinces, that is the current Uttar Pradesh. Today's the point of discussion is Maharashtra. What are the natural boundaries of Maharashtra? When you look at this state, its history, culture, geography are shaped by the natural features. So in this, we take the state and look its natural boundaries. What are the mountains, the passes, the rivers, and so on, the seaboards, the water bodies that surround the Maharashtra province. In this case, sometimes there will be some minor adjustments because the province political, administrative boundaries always change. They are not just drawn as per natural features. So this is a broad general idea that gives you different perspective in understanding the great province and its people. I will read out these, show them here, and I will take you to the real maps, three-dimensional maps and show you. So after this presentation, you will get a very fascinating different perspective of looking this land of Chhatrapatis. These are the natural boundaries. So here we have Satpura ranges. Satpura ranges in central India overlooking the Deccan Plateau has the different names in the different regions. In the western part you can see Akrani Hills and Asirgar Hills. This is the Akrani Hills here in the north of Khandesh, and this is the Asirgar Hills. This is the in the Madhya Bharat, central provinces, Madhya Pradesh. This is the Nimad region or Khandwa region. Then we have Burhanpur Pass. That is the gap cut by the river Tapti and Satpuras. The Burhanpur gap, now it's a Burhanpur district, also used to be part of East Khandwa district before. This is the gateway to Deccan. So we have Akrani Hills, Asirgar Hills. East of Asirgar Hills, in the Amravati region, this is the Amravati district of Maharashtra, we have Melghat region. The Melghat region, there used to be the historical fort Yelichpur, and that is the Gavilgar fort. This is the Melghat, Yelichpur, Gavilgar fort region. Then further north, actually in the central provinces, Madhya Bharat, Madhya Pradesh, we have Ambagar Hills. Further north we will have Mahadeva Hills, even though this is not exactly Maharashtra. Melghat, Ambagar, and we have here the Maikala mountain range. Overlooking the Maikala, we will see the Chhattisgarh basin. This side Chhattisgarh basin, and previously used to be part of the central provinces bearer, Chhattisgarh basin. And if you go to Gujarat side, there is the hills are called Rajpipla Hills. This is the Tapati river. This is the northern part is the Narmada river. In between them there is the Rajpipla Hills. The Songad hilly area exists there. That is generally used to be the part of Surat and Bharuch region, Surat district area. Further south of Tapti, the area is called Dongs. This is the mountainous region, that is the border to Maharashtra. Ahwa is the major headquarters of that region. That is the Dongs Sapathura mountainous area, Rajpipla mountains, Tapati river, Narmada river. In the west coast, of course, Konkan is seaboard in the Sindhu Sagar, that is the Arabian Sea. So the traditional boundaries of Marathi speaking people are actually the Konkani speaking people. Northern part is Daman Ganga. North of it Portuguese. Portuguese exclaves like Dadra Nagar Haveli existed. So Daman Ganga is a border. Southern border across the Gomantak region is Tirikol river. Tirikol river and Daman Ganga border. So Salsette Island is a very important island that is found by the forks of Ullas river on one side, Ullas Creek, and Vasayar Basen Creek is an island that holds the urban center megalopolis Mumbai. So that is about the, and going to the further Daman Ganga, and the eastern part is the Godavari. Godavari river forms the boundary. This is the Godavari. Actually, Godavari Indrayani Pranahita is the boundary. Godavari goes here. This is the Adilabad district of Telangana. Godavari, Pranahita river, Indrayani river. This is Chandrapur region, Sironcha region at the border. This is the border. That's what I am showing. Godavari river, Indrayani river, Pranahita river. Remember, there is again one more Indrayani river in the Pune region that joins Bhima river, that joins eventually Krishna river. That's a different. So same river, same name is given to many rivers. So then the mouth, Godavari Manjra mouth. Mouth is the way this is the Godavari river. In the Godavari valley, this is the Manjra river. It's the mouth, it's the border almost. This is the Nanded region, below region. So this is, we can say, almost the border of the Maharashtra state. And Manjra, and you have Manjra river here and Tirna river. This is also a border. This is the mouth where the Tirna river, also called Pirna river or Tirna river, joins the Manjra river. The mouth is the join point. This is essentially in the Marathwada region, that is in the Udgir area, Latur and all those areas. That is the one border. Then of course the Bhima and Sina border overlooking the Kulbaragi. This is the Bhima river, this is the Sina river. Sina river comes from the Ahmednagar area. This is the mouth. We are saying the Bhima, Sina mouth, Manjra, Pirna mouth, and Godavari, Manjra mouth. These are the borders. This is the Terekol river we have seen, and here in Hiranyakesi we can see almost the southern river. Sometimes we can say the Gokak river also is there. This is how you count it, but here in Hiranyakesi we can consider in the Kolhapur region is the border of, and Sindhu Sagar we have already seen, the Arabian Sea, the Chikodi mountain regions. That is the we have seen it here. Let's go and look at in the real map. So this you can see here the Maharashtra. We are looking only the borders here. This is the Satpura mountains because this is only part of Maharashtra. Others parts are cut. You should have been if it's there, but I will walk you through. This is the Akrani hills. This is the Asirgar hills. This is the Tapati river. This is of course Burhanpur Pass. This is the Purna river. This is the Amravati region. This is the Melghat region or Gavilgar region. Used by the Muslim Nawab, ruled by Imad Shahi dynasty, that was annexed to the Mughal Empire later by Akbar. So Gavilgar, Asirgar and Akrani, northern part. You can see are the Mahadeva hills, and those are present here. Maikala ranges you don't see, but you see the east here. Mandla district is Chhattisgarh basin is downstream here. That is one part, and you can see this Tapati river. Here there will be Rajpipla hills, Songad area. This is the Narmada river on the border, Rajpipla. And south of Tapati, bordering this is the Sahyadri mountains. You see the Dungs, this is the Dungs area. So this is the, you don't see it here, Dungs or Ahwa, that region, that is the hilly area. And this is the Daman Ganga, is the northern border of Maharashtra. This is the Sindhu Sagar. Terakol river will be here, Daman Ganga river here, Gomantak region is here. And coming to the mouths, we can see here the Godavari river comes, is the Nanded below here, and Godavari comes here. Here the Godavari is the southernmost part. Indrayani river joins here. Pranahita river joins here. That is the one border of this Chandrapur region, the Wainganga basin. Then you have the Bhima, Bhima and Sina river. This is the Sina river here, the Bhima river here, the Solapur region. This is the Akkalkot somewhere here. And this is the Hiranyakesi river here, Chikodi ranges here. That is some of the important landmarks. You can see here little more natural boundaries. You see the more. This is the Narmada river, Tapti river, Burhanpur Pass here, and you see the Akrani hills, Asirgar hills, Burhanpur Pass. This is the Melghat Gavilgar region, and this is the Mahadeva hills. You can see this is the Maikala range, the eastern outskirts of the Satpuras, Maikala. You can see the fascinating Mahanadi basin, that is the Chhattisgarh basin. This is the Wainganga river. You can see the Godavari river here joining Wainganga, Indrayani. That is one border. And this is the Bhima river. This is the Krishna river. That is downstream in the Bijapur area. We are not talking about that. And the Daman Ganga region, Salset Island is here, the Gomantak region, Terekal river here, Daman Ganga will be somewhere here, and this is the the Krishna river, Chikodi mountains, Chikodi ranges here. This is the other way of looking the river, and We have looked at this, and we can also look briefly here, different perspective. We are looking at the natural boundaries of the fascinating Marathas land, the Tapti Basin, Narmada River, Akrani Hills, Asirgar Hills, Burhanpur Pass, and you can see the Mahadeva Hills. You can see the Maikala ranges here, the Maikala range, Mahanadi Basin, Chhattisgarh Basin, and you can see south of Kolhapur, this is the Belagavi Plateau on one side, and here is the Terakol River, you don't see that clearly, and you can see the Rajpipla Hills here, I will show you. This is the Rajpipla Hills, because this is the Tapti river, between the Tapti and Narmada, Rajpipla rivers, Rajpipla Hills here, and this is the Dangs, Ahwa region in Gujarat. So that is in brief about the fascinating Maharashtra, its natural boundaries. Mitrom and Bandhuvam, hope this will put you in the proper perspective. If you like these presentations, I really appreciate it. If you take a few seconds and subscribe the channel if you like it, and bring it to the notice of your friends, and if you can post certain comments if you are listening me at shared chat or anywhere, that will be really appreciated. See you later, Mitram and Bandhuvam, in other presentations. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.